Today I will be testing out the pistol flamethrower in a game of tactical conquest. Now, I just bought this weapon, this sidearm weapon, and it looks pretty good from what I can tell. It looks pretty powerful. So I just thought for my first test, I'd test it out with you guys. So this is my first time as well, testing it out. So, we'll get to see it. I am loading into a game right now, into Rotterdam, the map, which is a pretty good map. I mean, it has its ups and downs, but it's a map like any other. So, I guess I'm trying to make a commitment to make a video every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. So stay tuned. I may not get it every day. But I'm gonna try my hardest to stay and hopefully we load into a game soon. Tactical Conquest is kind of the same as my other video where but both teams are trying to capture the same objective. It's not like one team is attacking and the other is defending. Both teams are trying to attack one objective. And I forgot to equip the pistol flamethrower. So I guess I'm just gonna have to get sniped like that. Okay. The spawn campers. You'll love to see them. Someone help me. Oh, actually, no, I don't want anyone. I want to. Yeah, so I can equip. Okay. Here we are. Pistol flamethrower. Nice siege Fred. I'm not saying his name right. Oh, okay. Okay, well, there's spawn campers. That's nice. I'm not even gonna get to use it. There's too many snipers around this map. I'll spawn on this. Okay, he's in combat. I'll spawn on this guy. Okay, finally. Or not. Or not. Because why not? Oh, God. Oh, it's me, Dad. That's the guy's name, the medic. Okay, he's not gonna... I'm just gonna leave that. Like the next best option. So, here's what the flamethrower looks like. Oh, well, I hit a guy. I'm burning a guy. So that actually does pretty good. I just burned a guy. Maybe that guy can help me. Or not. It's not like he's 5 meters away from me. So. Okay. Spawn this guy again. Oh, I got him. Nice. And I died. Because I got killed by... I thought I killed myself because of the flames. I guess not. I guess I got killed by a tank, like, super far away. This is the one thing about this game. It annoys you to a living hell. It's sometimes just so annoying. Why can't I spawn the middle guy? Piano license. So I'll spawn this guy again. Oh, God. Just like bleeding to the snipers. Here we are. And that's pistol flamethrower. So I'd say the pistol flamethrower is actually pretty OP. I mean, it's not the best ammo. But, I mean, it does damage. It burns them. It does, like, lasting damage because it like, does them for the immediate damage and then it, like, burns them later on. So that I get sniped on this, but... probably will. Yeah, my luck. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go over here. Try to burn some people. I hear a guy up there. I don't know if you guys hear him too. Type in, by the way guys, type in the comments down below. I'm always open for video ideas ideas from you guys. So make sure to type below what you think my next Battlefield video should be. Oh god. There you go. Oh, well I hit him. He didn't do any burning damage, which is weird. But he definitely took damage. So I'd say this gun is pretty good. Pretty good. I'd say it's decent. And I'll get hit again. So that's just my luck. Great. Next victim. Oh, wait, he's burning. He's burning. Oh, he's taking more damage. He's taking more damage. Oh, he took 42, which is not bad. I mean, I hit him for 29, then next for 42. So, he took some damage. Let's try it again. It's me, Dad, to help me with this one. Or he'll die. Okay. See, the problem is, I can't even get close to anyone because these snipers are from every single angle a day. I think I need to go somewhere like... Ooh, there's a guy. There's a guy. Got him. Let's go. Got him. I did a lot of damage for that. They're all stationed up here.
Was gibt's, Soldat?
Shoot. No. Bro. It's annoying. It just gets so annoying. Okay. Where is this guy spawned? Let's see. He spawned nowhere. Let's get that SCG out of there, even though I want it gold plated. Let's get that out of there because we're using the ultimate sidearm gun. Not the Red Dead gun. Anyone who doesn't know the Red Dead gun, it's this gun. It looks like a gun from Red Dead Redemption 2, so that's why I call it the Red Dead gun. Another good game, by the way. I also highly recommend. But we're not gonna need. We'll talk about that later. That's another video, another day. Oh god, I do not have the best angle right here. Oh, I got him again. Got the same guy. Just lost for it. There's somewhere. Just waiting to come. Sniped. Oh. The ammo runs out pretty fast on this gun, which is not the best, but it's definitely one of the best sidearms I've ever seen. Hey, dude. Oh, I hit it for so much. I just about killed him. Honestly. Okay, now I gotta use my... You know what? Despite this challenge, I'll use my Payat. That's another sidearm. Oh, I hit him 49. Wow. Okay. Well, my gun ran out, so... Okay. Actually, I'm gonna follow this guy. Aha. just like waiting. I'm just like almost like expecting the snipe. One shot. No! The ZH-29. I can't even with that gun. That guy has killed me too many times. I don't like it. Yes, it's me, Dad. Come on. He's so low. He's like 10 health. Well, he died. It's me, Dad died. So, that's not the best of the game. No offense, but no room to spawn. No! Big Bizzle 95 killed me with. Oh, okay. The SDG. I give him credit for that. It's a good gun. I'm not mad that he killed me with that. It's one of the best guns in the game, in my opinion. I use it all the time. It's the gun I'm holding right now. I have to get up there. But that's not what we're here for. We're here. Oh God, no. Oh. If I can kill the guy on the top. Oh my God. No way. And I died to the thing. But I think I do a lot of damage to the guy on the top. He died. Oh, and there goes the thing. It's me, Dad. Come on. Okay. Yes, thank you. Finally. Oh, it's Dee. Oh, I thought it was Dad. Oh my God. This whole time. I bet all you guys like noticed it. Just didn't tell me. So in the future, we might be doing some videos later on where I use the bazooka. I'm saving up for enough money for that, so you'll maybe see me doing that later. And wow, I hit him 50. Here we go. You know what? Challenge. I'm using the red button. Oh, and I died. Oh, I'm hitting him though because I'm burning him. 32 hit. Wow. Nice. Is anyone gonna save me? Nope. I might be doing. If I get to it, guys, I'm just telling you now. Spawn not gonna be for a while. But if I get to 1,000 subs or higher, I'm not saying I'm gonna do that or anything, but there will be a surprise. Maybe. We'll see. I actually don't know. If there were. But, who knows? Life happens. Oh wait, what am I doing? Against the rules. Wait, I can get you, kid. Wait, maybe. Should I go for it? Yep, because I'm a nice person. Nice person. Let's see, I'll use my life for this again. Yes! Got it off. Anyone who walks in there, they will get burned. What is on me? I can't see. I hit him for 3. I'm such god. I'm such god. I hit him for 3. I hit him for 4. Walk through my flames. I'd say, okay, we're gonna lose, but I definitely think that was, yeah. See if we can get one more kill for the end of this game. Come on. Don't no one die. No. 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 Well, we lost badly. But I'd say the pistol flamethrower, I'm going to give it a 1 out of 10. My all new weapons or gadgets I get, I will rate them on a scale of 1 to 10. I give that a solid 8.5 because it was great. Had great fire. It didn't have the greatest distance, but it had lasting effects to the person. Didn't also have the greatest ammo to it, but 8.5. So remember, don't forget to subscribe. and post in the comments what my next video idea should be for Battlefield. And I'll see you guys later. Catch you next time.
We have now taken objective